So this is the noise that it makes when you're stepping on the gas. I need to check on this side first. There's a car coming on.
You're on my side.
Okay, so you're gonna just grab and put the microphone and the thing outside of your car.
Go, here.
Happening like from 0 to 20 miles per hour, and then it'll stop if you go any faster.
Go.
Car's coming. So I cleaned the terminals, the light went back on. The voltage without it starting is 12.39. Huh? I know, baby. Go ahead and turn on the car. The car. Yeah. So it says 12.3 volts, 12.2, should be going up to 13. Even measuring it here, or down here, 12 volts. That's with no load. Turn on the lights. Turn on your stereo. Turn on the AC. Now step on the gas. Let go of the gas. Turn on the high beams. No, turn it off. No, turn on the high beams. Oh, okay, they're on. Now turn off the lights. Turn off your stereo. Turn off your AC. This was no load, I guess. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. goes back up to 12.34. So I drove it around and it made that noise. Now I'm back home checking the voltage again before I turn off the car, and now it's 3.4. Did we turn off the headlights? That's without stepping on the gas. Headlights are off and it's 3.4. AC. Oh, everything's off. You turn on the headlights. Headlights are on. AC. AC is on now. The radio. The radio's on. High beams. High beams are on. The dome light. Dome light is on. So now the whole load is on right now. Turn off the dome light. Dome light is off. The high beams are off. The headlights are off. The stereo is off. AC is off. Now everything is off. Turn off the car. Now the car's off. So I don't know, it looks like it's charging, but I still don't like that noise that it's making, like a rattling noise. And, you know, eventually it's gonna go down, obviously. So anyways, we'll go from there, check it out. Let me know any ideas, suggestions. Thanks.